Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can tell, we have more nail mail, so we're just going to open it and see what we've got this time. Trying to keep my dress hidden. I can see sparkles already. So we've got some sweeties and a beautiful snowflake. Oh, so this one is from Ugly Duckling. Oh, come on, let me in, let me in, let me in. Congratulations on making the top 24 of NTNA. We know how much time and dedication goes into preparing for a contest like this, and we would like to acknowledge your success. Ugly Duckling Nails Inc. And I've got signatures from a lot of people that I admire. We're just going to pop that to the side. So we've got a luxury cuticle oil, 24 karat gold luxury cuticle oil. Oh wow. And it's got a little pearl in the bottom, so that's absolutely beautiful. Put that to the side. Then we have this big heavy box. So we'll just get this open and have a look and see what is inside of this box as well. Just pop that back on. Oh wow, look at these. So this is primer. That is gorgeous. We have natural base with another one of those. We have prep. So this is fell off one of these colours, so we'll have to find out what one it is. We have matte. We have no wipe top coat. So I'm thinking it's maybe this one. Number 120. Let's see what colour this is. Yes, that's absolutely beautiful. So I'm thinking this might just pop in here, like so. And then we have 043, which I'm thinking is black. Black. We have white, which is 044. We have 110, which is a nice nude. A nice mustardy colour, which is 166. Beautiful for Christmas. A nice glittery red, which is number 164. And a nice pink, which is 134. So that is an actual amazing sponsor package to get. And obviously we've got all these little goodies in here as well. So some sweeties, another little card. Thank you for your continued support. That's actually really beautiful. So thank you very much, Ugly Duckling, for my amazing sponsors package. And thank you guys very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you like and subscribe for the next video, which will probably be another Next Top Nail Artist sponsor package. So I'll see you again later on, guys. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. And thanks for the great goodies. Bye for now.